Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact cells with repeated numbers. Make sure you include headers if present. Once done, convert the selection to a table using Ctrl+T because tables keep ranges aligned when you remove rows. Also, verify cells contain pure numbers. Extra spaces or text will block deduplication, so run trim or paste values to force numeric type. Now that your range is clean and structured, you're ready to mark duplicates for removal in the next step. Now you identify repeats. Use conditional formatting duplicate values to quickly highlight matching numbers so you can see patterns. Alternatively, add a helper column with a countif formula like equals countif, $1, $100, A2, 1. This returns true for repeats, which is robust when you need exact control. After that, apply a filter on the helper column or the highlighted format so you only view duplicates. This lets you confirm which rows to remove without risking unique records. To remove repeats, filter the helper column and delete visible rows, or use data remove duplicates to purge entries automatically. When using remove duplicates, pick which columns define a duplicate so you don't unknowingly drop distinct records. After deletion, clear filters and recalc totals or pivot summaries to verify counts changed as expected. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup or use undo immediately. Remember that remove duplicates is destructive, so always keep a saved copy before finalizing changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.